Welcome back to Sailing Windsome. My name's Michelle, and this is Chris. And these are our boys, Lenny and Ratchet. Last week, we just chilled out on the boat and got the boys used to being on the boat again. And this week, we have a special surprise. We are actually putting Windsome up for sale. That's right, she's going for sale. Everything will be here in the description below. I'm just going to introduce you to Windsome and what's inside of Windsome and what she has to offer. I'm going to leave most of everything on the screen for everybody to read. You can see she's got new sail covers, new jib covers. Windsome is fully off-grid with 24 gallons of water and tons of solar panels. These are the only cushions left to get done. We used to keep a cooler in this spot. The galley has tons of room, storage, huge icebox, and electric stove. She also comes with a fully enclosed tent for winter storage. It's great for boat work. We are on the hunt for a bigger boat. You'll be missed, Windsome. Thanks again for watching Sailing Windsome. We appreciate it and it helps more than you know. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe.